Okay, our last lesson on percentage increase, on percentages, which is percentages increase and decrease. This is lesson 6 from the ratio booklet 10. Okay, so increase. Say we wanted to increase some money, £30, by 10%. Oh, sorry, before I go on to this work, here's your answers from the learning check from last lesson. Okay, so I have obviously marked your work if you sent it to me. So there's all the answers. Anything you're stuck on, please just email me back. Okay, so today's work, going back to this question here. So write this in your books, please. Increase £30 by 10%. So increase means add on, okay? So if we find 10%, well, we know 10% of 30, we divide by 10. 30 divided by 10 is 3. So if we're increasing, we're making £30 10% bigger. So we're adding 10%, we're adding £3 to £30. So we get an answer of £33. So increase means adding on. Okay, so get that example in your books, please. Okay, next one. Increase £800 by 5%. Well, we need to find 10% first. So 10% will be 80 divided by 10. Now find 5%, half of 10%. Your experts said that now. And we want to increase £800 by our 5%. So my answer is £840. Okay, so get that example in your books as well, please. So what I would like you to do now is to try these 3 questions here. So pause the video and I'll go through the solutions. Okay, so solution to the first one. So 10% will be 6. So I'm increasing, so I'm adding 60 by 6 to get £66. So my answer to the first one is £66. Okay, the second one. Okay, so if I find 10%, I get 8. I've got to double it to find 20%. I'm increasing 80 by my 20%, so I get £96. Okay. And then the last one, I want to increase £200 by 5%. I find 10%, which will be divided by 10. Find 5%, half 10%. So increase 200 by 5%, I get £210. Okay, so you've had a go at percentage increases. Right, what about an example on percentage decrease? Well, decrease is the opposite of increase. So decrease, we're going to take it away. So I find 10%, which will be 4 divided by 10. And now I'm going to decrease, I'm going to take away my 4 from my original, and I get £36. Okay, let's do one more example of that. Decrease £800 by 20%. So I get 10%. I find 20%. I'm going to decrease. So 800, take away 160 will give me £640. You might need to set it up like this if you can't do it in your head. 0, take away 0, borrow 4, 6. Okay. Right, so you're going to have a go now at decrease. So I'd like you to pause the video, do those 3 questions, and then I will go through the answers. And this is the last bit of the lesson. Okay, so decrease £600 by 10%. So 10% is 60, and decreasing, I'm going down, so take it away. So I get £540. Okay, next one. Decrease 80 by 20%. So 10% is 8. 20% is 16. Decrease, so that means take away. So 0 take away 6 I can't do, borrow from the tens. 10 take away 6 is 4. 1 take away 7. So my answer is £64. Last question. Decrease £100 by 5%. So 10% is 10. 5% is 5. 100 take away 5 is £95. Okay, well done guys, that's the end of the lesson. What I would like you to do now is your learning check, okay, is turn to page 9 please of your booklet, exercise 10F, okay. So this is this booklet here. This is your compulsory work, please. Exercise 10F, question 1, A to H. Show me all your method. You might want to do that on paper rather than in here because not much room there. And then the matching activity is your optional work. Have a lovely day. Bye-bye.